how to make money on YouTube without creating videos yourself. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make money on YouTube by creating videos not even yourself. So let's get started. We know that YouTube is a very famous video sharing platform and we can create videos and make money on YouTube. But we make money on YouTube by showing our face and we create a YouTube channel. And that's where a lot of people do not create a YouTube channel because they don't want to be in public, they do not want to share their face. So how we can still make videos on YouTube and make money? Because of course, if you're getting the audience on your videos, you will be able to monetize your channel and make money. So let me show you some ways that you can create videos where you don't have to show your face and you will be able to get free music and free footage. So let's get started and let's get into it. So the first thing that you need to do is, of course, create a YouTube channel. Once you have a YouTube channel, now you have to select a niche first. That's what you need to do. You will have to select that what kind of video you want to create, because there are a lot of different videos we can create where we don't have to show our face. For example, there are different, you can say, motivational videos. It's actually a perfect example of how these YouTube channels are making money, because motivational videos are mostly just quotations and you can see like just some footage of a person working out and they have these quotations and that's it. So these are the different videos that actually get a lot of audience. You can see right here, this one has 21 million views, this one has 2 million views, 58 million views, 4.5 million views, this one has 16k views in just one day. So you can see right here how the audience is huge for these kind of videos. So how we can create such video really easily. So what I want you guys to do is simply go to pexels.com. Now Pexel is a stock footage platform that allows you to use footage for free. We have different photos and videos on Pexels. So it's an amazing platform. I love Pexels because it's completely free and we get a lot of good footage out of it. I want to create a motivational video, okay? To create a motivational video, what I can do is I can just go to Pexel and search for fitness. When I search for fitness, and if we go to videos, I will be able to get thousands of videos right here from Pexel. You can see right here. These are all different videos, people working out. And if you notice, the same footage is being used in these videos right here on YouTube. So this is how you can also create these motivational videos, because you're getting the footage now and you have the same footage of a person working out, and you can add your text, you can add quotations, you can use as many as you want, and they're copyright free. There's no copyright because these are completely free. We're getting it from Pexels. So this is how it works and how easy it is to actually create videos for YouTube. So this is one of the niche that you can go for and you can create motivational videos. Now, another thing that I would like to mention is that you're getting the footage. Now you're wondering how to edit them. You are a complete beginner and you don't know different Adobe tools, or if you do not have an editor, then you can go to Canva.com. Canva is an online platform which is used for editing and to create designs. Amazing platform with a lot of different features. So right here we get the video option on Canva, and it allows you to edit videos really easily, and it's really easy to use as a complete beginner. So I would suggest that you can use Canva. It's completely free. It has a free version and you don't even have to download it. You can simply use this right here, video one, and you will be able to create videos for YouTube. Let's check out some of the other niches that you can go for. Of course, most of the videos that get different traffic, we can go with animated videos. Next niche that you can go for is going to be animation videos, and you don't need to create high quality animation, but we can actually create like a good 3D animation and it will get us views. So there are different topics that we can go for, maybe storytelling or maybe medical videos, so they involve animation. How we can create it? You can use a platform known as Animaker, and it is also completely free, an online platform that allows you to create animation. So it is so like easy to create videos, and I'm showing you all of these different free platforms. This video will be really helpful for you guys because you will know everything you need to know and create an animation. It's really easy to use. There are videos on our channel how to use Animaker. You will be able to use it. Similarly, there are videos on how to use Canva. You can watch them if you're not familiar with these platforms. So once you are right here on animated videos, again, it gets a lot of views on YouTube, and we can make videos without showing face. Similarly, there are animal videos that we can go for, music videos, there are relaxing videos we can go for. So there are different niches and different videos that we can actually create without showing our face. One of the things that you might be wondering is where you will get music, because music is also important to YouTube videos, and we want music which is copyrighted free. So you can go to mixkit.co, which is a free stock music. So now we even have music. You can see right here, royalty free stock music, and you'll be able to get all of these amazing music. You can see right here, you can check it out before using it, and you can use your favorite music from here, different sounds, different background music for your relaxing videos, for your motivational videos, for your animated videos, whatever video you want. So now you know where to get your free music. You can go to Mixkit. Now you have the free music, you know the niche, you know the stock footage, then you can use any of the editing platform and create a video. So it's really easy. And even on Canva, let me actually show you an example. I was creating a video earlier. So this is like Canva, and you can see right here, this is the video I just created. Now the background video, I got it from Pixels, from a fitness one. And then I just wrote text, and there you have it, like a simple video right now. So you can see right here that this is the video that I just created within seconds, and it does not have my face, but I will be able to make money on YouTube because I will have my own YouTube channel, and I will upload videos where I'm not showing my face and still making money. Another is some of the different niches that you can go for is, of course, the kind of video you are watching. You can create tutorial videos on your laptop or your PC where you do not show your face and you just use your voice. So this is also an example of how you would make money on YouTube. And then we have product review videos where you don't have to show your face. And another niche that you can go for is going to be the gaming one. It's actually really important, but it is for the gamers, people who actually play games in their house. They play games every day, but you can make money with it. It's so easy. All you have to do is, while playing the game, just record your game and upload it on YouTube. This is one of the niche that does really well on YouTube, and it gets millions of views, and you actually become really famous. This is what most of the famous YouTubers, the gamers one, do. They just playing the game. If you're good in some game, then it's actually good, and you can simply just do not show your face and just play the game, record your screen, and then upload the video on YouTube. No copyright issue, nothing. You're just playing the game and uploading. So this is also a niche that you can go for, and you don't have to show your face, and you will be able to make money. When it comes to making videos, and let's say that you do not have time to edit, you do not have time to create videos to get the stock footage, then what you can do is you can simply automate your work. You can buy a YouTube channel and then hire people to do work for you. That is how we say that you can make money without actually creating videos yourself. You're not doing the work. You can hire people to create tutorial videos for you, which are the freelancing platforms, and they help you find the best people out there to edit videos for you, to create videos for you, and you simply make money with it. Of course, you give them their price, whatever you want to pay them, and then you make in thousands to millions of dollars. And this way you will be able to make money without creating videos yourself, without showing your face, and actually creating a channel which is famous. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to make money on YouTube without creating videos yourself. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.